Today we're going to be making some vegan corn fritters with a poblano lime aioli. And I'm here with Toni, and we're going to kick things off.
Super excited to be here with all of you, and I'm stoked to be here with Chef Ray making these wonderful corn fritters. They sound absolutely amazing. I really enjoy cooking, so I'm really excited to see what we can do for you guys today.
Pretend that's like their little head. There you go. I'm very, very excited. Lots and lots of great flavors. We're using some Spice World products. It's going to be really, really nice.
I've never made a vegan corn fritter before, so I'm excited to learn from you today. And again, using our wonderful Spice World products that make this recipe even more convenient for us. So,
easy onion and minced garlic. Don't be shy.
this is so nice too because I love garlic as well. And sometimes I just hate chopping up a bunch of garlic. And here we go. Makes it so easy, convenient. Cheers.
I want to thank you so much for coming out, and
yeah, I want to thank you as well. We had a great time. Can't wait to dig into all this yummy food and stuff with you.